So I don't know if you'll find this interesting or not, and maybe it's a little bit outside the scope of this course, but if we give you some web space or you use a free web service, you won't see this, but if you buy web space, you should see something like this. This is a control panel or C panel, and most web hosting companies where you would buy um, web space would have something like this. And you can see it gives me some information about my website and so on, but here are various tools. So this one will let me add domains or subdomains. It lets me manage my domains. And actually, my domains I bought somewhere else, but I can still manage or add things here. Auto installers. This is pretty cool if your website has it. So this allows me to automatically install some software on my server without actually having to know how, which can be very useful. So for example, I've mentioned WordPress several times in this course. I could just click right here and it will install WordPress for me. And there are actually lots of other things like image galleries and stuff like that that I could install here as well. Then here's some more WordPress tools and other stuff. This is very interesting. If you own your own domain, then you can have email addresses. And when you have web space, server space somewhere, then you can use this cPanel to create email accounts and set them up. So you can pretty much have as many email accounts as you want if you have your own domain. Now, some web hosts may only allow you to have so many. But anyway, this is where I would create and manage my email accounts. Now, down here, we're not going to look at everything here, but down here, there are some tools under files. So I have a file manager, so I could click on that and I can see all the folders and things and all the pages that are on my server. And I can actually use this file manager to upload or download files from the website. But we're going to talk here about FTP accounts. And right here it says FTP accounts, and I can use this area to actually create FTP accounts and give people, different people, access to different parts of my website if I want to. Probably I'm not going to do that because I don't want them to cause any damage, but you might want to have an FTP account for yourself. And then there are various other tools here that allow you to track the number of visitors and so on. So that's a cPanel.